Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix VLLO app not working issue. First, make sure to check your internet connection. You can just switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure that it's stable. Next, make sure to close the VLLO app and again reopen it. This fixes most temporary glitches. If that does not work, you can just restart your phone and reopen the app again. Now make sure to head to the App Store or Play Store. Within the search bar, type VLLO and check if the updates is available for VLLO and make sure that your VLLO app is in its latest version. If it says update in place of open, tap update and it will automatically start updating. Now make sure to check your device storage, tap on settings, within it tap on generals, then you will see different options. From there tap on storage. Here, make sure to check the storage as slow storage can cause VLLO to freeze or crash. You must free up some space if needed. If the problem continues, make sure to clear the app cache on Android or delete and again reinstall the app on iPhone. And these are the steps that are usually used to fix the VLLO app not working issues quickly. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.